All right, this video is for Gary. Danny here at Milani Norman. And I know you're looking for a nice 1-ton dually. So I'm just gonna give you a nice walk around, buddy. And take a look at this nice Ram 3500 Laramie full load. Absolutely beautiful truck here, buddy. Very, very clean. Take a look at the inside here. Absolutely fantastic condition here. This console on there. Very nice. You got heated, cooled seats, heated steering wheel, exhaust brake, all that good stuff. Full tow package. Right on. So I have, if you're into Dodge, I got that dually, and then I think I showed you this one as well. This is the 2018. This is going to be a Longhorn. Nice truck as well here. So those are the Dodge dualies that I have here. I got lots of trucks here, buddy. So let me know exactly what you're looking for. This would be my choice for the nicest dually on the lot. Let me know if you're planning on financing, trading anything in, work you out a nice deal and make this happen for you. Take care, Gary.